Hello guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. OMG guys, this information I have for you today is a very vital information. Okay, sit right back, do not skip, don't skip, keep watching to get the full information. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Azeezat. I live in Sydney, Australia. Guys, today's video I'm doing it right in the car. Yes, I want to give this information out like right now because I received the alert of this job, so I want to give it out. I don't want to wait until I get home. Okay, this job I want to share with you, it's posted today, and the other one was posted about 2 days ago. I don't want to keep postponing it. That's why I want to share with you right here in the car. I'll be sharing with you today jobs opportunity with visa sponsorship here in Australia. Apply for this job, you never can tell. You can be the lucky applicant. All you just have to do is work on your resume, work on your cover letters. Okay, do not be discouraged. Always apply, always give a shot. Okay guys, the hospitality industry in Australia are recruiting now, so it is the opportunity to apply for this job. You never can tell, you can be the lucky applicant. Okay, if you don't need this video, share it with people that might need it. Okay, let's go straight into today's video because I will show you everything step by step. The salary, guys, all the salary, they are amazing. Hospitality industry, to be like head of chef here in Australia, at least you will earn up to 80,000 to 120,000 a year. Guys, that is huge. Yes, and you have the opportunity to migrate to Australia with your family as well with this visa. So sit back and let's dive into this video. Okay, chef is needed here. Okay guys, and they have various locations. Look at the attractive income as well, 80,000 to 90,000 a year. Guys, that is very huge. Okay, just take the opportunity. Look at that. This is about 13 hours ago. Okay, not even up to a day. So what are you still waiting for? Take your time, apply for this job. You might be the lucky applicant. Okay, you never can tell. Even though if you don't need this video, just send it to people that might need it. I know for some people this is just like a japa japa season. Okay guys, so I'm just sharing this with you guys. If you know you are a chef or you have experience, all you have to do is just go all through all their requirements. You see, this is exactly what they are looking for. Head chef needed. Okay, great working condition, great hours, 4 days working week. Okay, that means you have to work just 4 days a week, and the hours roster is 35 to 45 hours. Okay, just take your time, go through all the requirements, read and apply. Just apply. You never can tell, you can be the lucky applicant. So guys, what are you still waiting for? Just go through everything that's the need. Look at, you need minimum of 3 years experience. That means you must have had about 3 years experience, working as a chef or working as head of chef. Okay, and a great understanding of kitchen operation and leading a team. Your passion about quality produce and love producing creative seasonal menus. Okay, high performer collaborator. You have an aptitude for preparation, planning, a strong organization skill, and you need to be a team player who communicates well with all colleagues. You have to be a team player to be a head of chef. You are available to work across rotating roster, including evening and weekends. Full unrestricted Australian working rights. Okay, this visa will give you full unrestricted Australian working rights. Okay, that is it. And employee discounts, free food, even on top of everything, they will give you free food. That means you don't have to pay for any food. They have visa, you can see for yourself, visa sponsorship, accommodation option available. I think on this accommodation, you guys need to decide, communicate, and you guys will conclude on the accommodation option. Restaurant open 4 weeks a day, Thursday to Sunday. This is very great opportunity even for like a family. Yes, if you are moving in as a family, this is a very great opportunity for you. You can come down to Australia, because I know definitely when you are given a sponsorship visa and you are a married man or a married woman, they will consider your family as well. I think this is a very great opportunity. Okay guys, so you have to be careful when you're applying for all this role. You have to be very, very careful. We have a newly relaunched resort located on the south coast within 43 hotels rooms. Okay, you have to have passion, you know, for the food industry. You have to have passion for this job before you apply for this job. Apply for this job, you never can tell. You can be the successful applicant. Okay, and guys, be careful when you're applying for job online. Any job you're applying for here in Australia will never ask you to provide your bank details or your card, whatever. Please do not give your bank detail or card details to anyone online. It is not required. Anybody that asks you to give him or her your bank details, they are scammers. Okay guys, okay, this is a very great opportunity. All you have to do now is to click on that apply button and apply. You can do it yourself. Let's go to another one. So this is another one here, you know. This is is like a head of chef as well. So this is in past. They need a lot of people here in Australia, and they are ready to sponsor you guys to come down once you meet all the requirements. Okay, so look at this as well. This is support service worldwide, remote head chef. This is what they need as well. Let's go to the benefit. Okay, some company really require your experience. Okay, your experience really matter in some cases. This starting with 95,000. Okay, hospitality industry in Australia is one of the most higher paid job here in Australia. So what are you still waiting for? Click on that button. Do everything yourself. Okay, look at that membership discount. If you are the right applicant, definitely you will get this sponsorship visa. So do your job now by clicking start applying. Start applying. That is all you have to do. Let's check on another one, guys. This is a manager, you know, 7 consulting, delivery focus, permanent role, Taiwan client. Let's go to another one. I think there are lots of companies that is looking for chef. Okay, look at this. I just want to share with you all the, you know, the new one, like a day, 2 days old. This is another one. You can see it yourself. Visa sponsorship available. Guys, if you need any information, any question, just contact me on my IG. I'll be glad to answer you guys. This is another one, guys. 120k plus super plus visa sponsorship. This is a very great opportunity, guys. Very great opportunity, and this was posted 4 days ago. So what are you waiting for? Just click on that apply button and make sure you go through all the criteria before you send in your resume and expression of interest. So do all your job now, and yeah, like I've said, be careful. Do not provide your card number to anyone or your bank account details. They are not required. Okay, you can see all the offer. You can see, yeah, this is amazing opportunity. You can read for yourself. Any information, like I've said, send me on my IG and I'll be glad to answer you guys. And until next time, I'll see you with another informative video like this. Stay blessed. Bye.